appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates, baby. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me.
Hello and welcome to Zainash's Kitchen. You don't even know our channel's full name. It's Zainash's Kitchen Kids Cooking. Okay. Hello and welcome to Zainash's Kitchen Kids Cooking. Can you guess what are we making today? It's unique, it's new, it's wonderful, and it's soap! But we don't have all the ingredients. These are just your toys. Aww, this is my favorite toy. Okay, now close your eyes, Vishpa. If you close your eyes, the ingredients will appear. Okay. Close your eyes properly. Okay, even I will close my eyes. Okay? Oh my God! The ingredients! Now let's see what are the ingredients. Yeah, I have to. You need a mold. A muffin mold we are using. You can use any mold. It should be a silicone mold. Rubbing alcohol and transparent soap base. Some toys, and this is optional, some glitter because we are making it for children. They like shining and glitter. Yeah. So now we can start making our soap. Yahoo! We are using transparent soap base, which is very good for children to bath with, and it's very organic. Now Ishma, cut the soap base into small pieces. Okay. I don't know how to cut it. Here. One more cover. Why are there so many covers? Cut it into small pieces. Okay. It's soft. Okay, now we have to melt the soap base. You can use a microwave or a double boiler. So we are going to microwave it for 30 seconds, or you can use a double boiler method. We have shown the double boiler method in our colorful chocolates. You can see over here in the I button. I guess it's over here. And you can watch that video to see how to use a double boiler method. Now Ishpa, go and microwave it for 30 seconds. I'll wait for you. Okay. Should I take the tray? I put it over. I think I can put it. Okay, now go and microwave it. I'll wait for you. Okay. Zaina, I came. Okay, also came. She melted the soap base for 30 seconds in a microwave. Or you can use a double boiler method. Now let's start. After it cools down a little bit, we'll add some essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice. I'll put some 3-4 drops. That's all. Now, you spray some rubbing alcohol, Ishva. Okay. On the molds. And now on the toys. That's all. Now keep the toys in the mold. It's not standing. It's okay, leave it like that only. That's all. Now you keep it inside the mold. Okay, now we can put our soap base on top. We have to stir it first. Put the soap base. Now put in this one. Okay, that's all. And you spray some rubbing alcohol on top. Now you put some glitter on top. Set the soap at room temperature for 2 hours or in the freezer for 30 minutes. Now we are going to unroll the soap. Look at this! It's so beautiful. Yeah, it looks so beautiful. And it smells so beautiful. Smells also beautiful. Now let's try them. Yeah. Very nice. So beautiful. And see, glitter is coming on your hand. Yeah. And soapy. Please try this soap at home because children will love it. And the toys inside will make it so funny and interesting.